One machine, infinite possibilities. Meet the Typhon 18 Flex Pro. The secret: 12 specialized attachments that transform this machine in seconds. 500mm grading bucket, perfect for backfilling or final grading. 200mm trenching bucket, precision trenches for pipes or cables, no wasted effort. Grappler, your claw grip for heavy, awkward materials. Augur, plant trees or install fencing at lightning speed. Rake, prep land fast, ideal for landscaping cleanup. Concrete breaker, demolish concrete or rock, no job too tough. Screening bucket, turn debris into usable fill on site, zero waste. Ripper, loosen hard ground before digging, saves hours. $600mm tilting bucket, game changer for contouring land without repositioning. Fork pallet lifter, turn your mini excavator into a material handling beast. Ready to revolutionize your productivity? The Typhon 18 Flex Pro and its 12 attachment arsenal are waiting.